have a bad habit of drinking less water and using the public toilets quite often? Do you postpone the urge of urination? You may land up having pee pain, and this is a caution, which will lead to urinary tract infection. Namaste, I am Dr. MR, founder and CMD of Sada Ayurveda. We are here today to discuss about UTI. To understand what is UTI, first we should know what is urine and the organs involved in formation of urine. Now, urine is a sterile excreta of the body, which is made up of 95% water and the other components like creatinine, potassium, chloride, etc. This actually helps to flush out the toxins from the body. So where is it formed? The organs involved are two kidneys. The kidney continues down as ureters. It's a narrow tube. These narrow tubes continues down into a expandable hollow organ called the urinary bladder, where the urine collects. The urinary bladder converges again to form urethra, which is both same in male and female, and it is the urine outlet. Because of the anatomy of the urinary tract and also some of the practices, humans are more susceptible for urinary tract infection. So let us look into some of the causes. Unhygiene conditions like wearing tight inner garments, using filthy toilets and drinking less water, not washing the privates, having unsafe sex will lead to UTI. Did you know foods like too much of spice, salt, sour may lead to UTI? So be very careful in having foods like that for a long time. Psychological conditions like anger, grief, and also sleeplessness will lead you to have pee pain. And also use of contraceptive materials like copper T, diaphragm, pregnancy, and having alcohol every day will lead you to have urinary tract infection. So, how do you know you're suffering from UTI? Let's look into few signs and symptoms. First and foremost, you will have burning sensation during urination. Despite spending long time in urine, the urine just dribbles down in drops. So the bladder will not get emptied completely, therefore leading to abdominal pain and pelvic pain. With all this, you will also have fever with chills. If you find all these symptoms, do not delay in consulting a trustworthy Ayurveda physician, because by avoiding the causative factor, 70% of your UTI symptoms are gone, but for rest 30%, you will have to consult a doctor. To get rid of UTI, kindly book an appointment with Sada Ayurveda through our social media and also the contact number which is given at the end of the video. So, stay safe. Sada wishes you best of health.